Hi guys, I'm Mango, and Roxanne is on a vacation at Diamond Beach. I'm her dog, and guess what? She forgot to give me a treat before she left. So I've decided to get my revenge by flooding her house to make everything soggy and wet because she does not like wet things. I don't know why, but she doesn't. So I'm gonna fill her house, and I'm also gonna light all her stinky candles that she never lights, but she just has there for decoration. So let's see. So light all her candles so it smells super disgusting. Though in my opinion it won't smell disgusting, it's gonna smell delicious. Oh my god, there's bubbles coming out of the water. So weird. I didn't know they could do that. Also, she forgot I knew how to open doors, so she just left me there. Also, for some reason, she has a tea kettle on her computer. That's just weird. So, her house is flooded. Tell me if I forgot any candles, by the way. I'm gonna look in here. Also, I already turned on all these because she left me in here before she left to go to Diamond Beach, which is super rude. I don't really like the bathroom because I don't like taking baths, but I do if it means I get to flood her house. So now I'm gonna get rid of the water because everything's soggy now, and I'm gonna put soap on the floors. Soap, soap, soap. Okay, I think that's enough soap for me. And now it's gonna be super slippery next time she comes to our house. So tell me what to do tomorrow and the day after tomorrow, because she's gonna be gone for 3 days. Tell me in the comments. Okay, goodbye.